ESG and digitalization, two key elements of the current financial world. We're going to analyze both today with Florence Anglès, Managing Principal at Capco in Geneva. Thank you for coming, Florence.
Thank you, Nicolas.
So tell us a bit about the current trends in the financial markets.
Yes, the current trends, maybe if you open the newspapers today, you will see the two trends. The first one is sustainable finance and more particularly ESG, and the second one is about digitalization. You know, ESG factors are not new, even if they were not labeled always so much. And now you know that ESG factor will continue to pave the way of the financial agenda. Capco is well committed in terms of sustainability. We are proud to be UN Global Compact signatory, and we will continue to have a positive impact on people and on the planet. We are working towards a better world.
What is the link between sustainable finance and digitalization? Do you want to tell us a bit about this?
Maybe you can think of sustainable finance and digitalization very separately, but if you look at in a more deeper way, you can see that there is close relationship between both. Because financial institutions need to accumulate a vast quantity of data, and also they need to assess the quality of data. And today, regulators are looking closely, even more than in the past, about the quality of data, as we can say when you're working as a quant, garbage in, garbage out. So they need to deal with the bulk of information, and they need to take into account new technologies in order to assess the data and to integrate within the traditional data, because now we spoke more and more about alternative data coming from social media and so on.
And so with this in mind, how do you see the banking model of the future?
I think that the successful bank or the bank of the future will be able to tackle the change, the change not only from a technological point of view, but also from the point of view of the society, because sustainable finance and ESG is more than financial aspect. It's more a change or a change of the paradigm of the society from the aspect of environmental, the aspect of social, and the aspect of governance. Though they need to do that in order to create value to the clients and to offer the best client experience.
So my last question.
Yes.
I know you're also looking at several projects involving sustainable finance. Do you want to share some of that with us?
Yes, for me, sustainable finance is a long trip. I was involved in sustainable finance in 2003 in Belgium, in Brussels, where I was a portfolio manager of fixed income funds with ESG criteria. And when I came to Switzerland, I was also interested in to learn a little bit more about sustainable finance in Switzerland from the point of view of the wealth management and also asset management. I organized with some of my colleagues from Kaya an event about sustainable finance at Société de Lecture. And finally, as I was very interested in and to go deeper into the subject, I performed my 3-year doctorate in business administration in Paris with the Georgetown University on about the link between sustainable finance and digitization and a small aspect of sustainable finance called impact investing in Switzerland. And I will continue to work on that subject because I'm in charge of ESG strategy for Switzerland. And finally, we will organize a big event in June for Capco Global on the aspect of ESG.
Well, looking forward to that, Florence.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for joining us. For more videos like these, stay tuned to the Geneva WealthTech Forum channel.